Well ordering principle is a concept which is equivalent to the mathematical induction. However, because of the very way in which we constructed the set of natural number and its arithmetics, we detected in class the validity of mathematical induction directly from the axioms of the set theory. Every non-empty every non-empty subset of the natural number has at least element. Proof. Let A be a non-empty subset of n, where n is any natural number. We wish to show that A has a list element. That is that there is an element small a belongs to A such that A is less than equal to n for all n is belongs to A. We will do this by the strong induction on the following predict. Pn. If n is belongs to A, then A has a list element basic step. P0 is clearly true since 0 is less than equal to n for all n belongs to n natural number. Strong inductive step. We want to show that P0 intersection of P1 intersection of up to Pn. Result Pn plus 1. To this end, suppose that P0, P1 up to Pn are all true and that n plus 1 belongs to A. We consider two cases. Case 1, not therefore m into m all belongs to A intersection m is less than n plus 1. In this case, n plus 1 is the least element of A. There exists m into m belongs to A intersection m is less than n plus 1. In this case, since Pm is true, A has a list element. According to well ordering principle, अगर हम कोई नेचुरल नंबर लेते हैं सपोज 1 to n 1 2 3 4 up to n, then according to well ordering principle here at least element is 1. Either way, we conclude that Pn plus 1 is true. So, by strong mathematical induction, we obtain that Pn is true for all n belongs to n. Since A is non-empty, we can pick n belongs to A. Moreover, since Pn is true, this implies that A has a list element. Recursion definition. Sometimes it is possible to define an object like function, sequence, structure in this term of itself. This process is called recursion. For example, recursion definition recursion definition of an arithmetic sequence an equal to an plus n into t. Recursion definition of the geometric sequence. In some instance, recursive definition of object may be much easier to write. Example algorithm for computing the GCD. GCD of 79 and 35 is 35 and 9 equal to GCD of 35 and 9. Moreover, GCD of A and B equal to GCD B A mod B factorial function. N factorial equal to n into n minus 1 factorial and 0 factorial equal to 1. Division algorithm. The division algorithm is not actually an algorithm, but the following theorem, which once was proved by giving an algorithm explaining how to divide. Now proof the now proof is usual based on the well ordering principle. The division algorithm. If a and m are any integer with m not 0, then there are unique integer q and r such that a equal to qm plus r, where 0 is less than equal to r, r is less than m. Example, if a equal to 36 and m equal to 13, then q equal to 2 and r equal to 10. Since 36 is equal to 2 into 13 plus 10. Likewise, if a is minus 63 and m is 20, then q equal to minus 4 and r equal to 17. Since minus 63 equal to minus 4 into 20 plus 17. Finally, if a is 24 and m is minus 15, then q equal to minus 1 and r equal to 9. Since 24 equal to minus 1 into minus 15 plus 9, the unique number r and r, the unique so, the unique number q and r called the quotient and remainder respectively. The remainder is also called the least not negative residue modulo m. Finally, a equal to qm plus r implies a equal to r mod m.